In this tutorial, I will show you how you can trim string data in Bash. In the most of the standard programming languages, there are trim, trim, or trim function to do the task, but Bash has no any built-in function like this. But there are many ways to do the task. The first example is to trim the string data using parameter expansion. So first of all, you can declare any string with white spaces. Here, everyone has a space at the beginning and the ending. And next, print the value before trimming. So hello, the extra space is showing here. Now apply the parameter expansion to remove the spaces from the beginning. Sorry. And which is to use double hash. So hello myvar double hash star bracket. In this way, you can remove the extra space from the beginning, and to remove the extra space from the ending, you have to use double percentage symbol. In the same way, you can see the starting space is not removed, but the ending space is removed from the ending of the string. In this way, using parameter expansion is one way to remove the spaces from the beginning or ending of the string, and set command is another option to do the task. So first of all, define a variable with more starting and ending space, which is web design courses. First of all, print the string, how this space looks to check it. And you can see web design courses, this long spaces are showing. Now using set command, this extra space can be removed. myvar equal $myvar pipe set space start dollar globally. That means it will remove all the space, extra space from the string and store in the variable $myvar. Now use the variable in a string to check the space is removed or not. You can see the extra spaces before the web design courses is removed. Now go for the next example. This is another example of set, but here the space class is used to do the task, and new variable is declared here, Asian MySQL with space printed before removing the space. And there is the space before PHP and after MySQL. Now using SID and space class, the same task can be done that is shown in the previous SID example, but the way is different here. SID-e space can space class, that means all the space of the $var will be removed. Now if I print the $var, you can check the space is removed. Okay, this is another option of set to remove the space. Now go for the example 3 using awk command to remove the space. Again, declare another string with space. First of all, I will clear this game to understand properly. So, input text. The content is designing website with CSS, and there is extra space at the starting and beginning. Now, just print the text before removing the space. And next, using our command, this command will remove the space from the beginning. Echo input text tab space print 0 and another text is truncated with the previous text input text. So this is the output of the previous text website CSS. In the beginning, space is removed and the extra space of jQuery is added here, and in the ending space is also exist. So go for the next command. Remove the ending space. So here that is last dollar. So it will remove the ending space, and it will check the output. You can see the gap is more here, and one space is removed from the designing website with CSS. So gap is less than the before output, and the starting space is not removed. And in the next example, space from the beginning and ending will be removed by a single command. That is the plus symbol in the beginning for the beginning space and dollar symbol for the ending space. A jQuery string is just added to check the space is removed or not. Now you can see the space of the beginning is removed here. Space is removed here, and in this way you can remove the starting and ending. And this one is some complicated. So if you feel difficult, then you can follow the other ways too. Stream string data using xargs commands. So just start this command. Bash scripting language. There is a starting space and ending space, and xargs command will remove the space. So you can apply any of the way of removing starting and ending space. Which one you think easier? Thank you.